I think I chose Crestwood pools over the others, definitely for the look. Going through the websites and internet and everything, and I stumbled across Crestwood pools, and right away, that was the one. They ship worldwide, I believe it said on the website. So that's why I called, and here we are with the pool in our backyard as we speak. So didn't even think of having an in-ground pool. I just kind of wanted an above-ground pool, but the nicest kind of above-ground pool that I could find. And like I said, the minute I saw the Crestwood one, there was no comparison. Me and my husband installed it ourselves. At first, when I spoke to the owner, I was kind of like, we've never had a pool before. We followed it step by step, and if ever we came across something that we didn't understand and we had questions on, he was always there. He went above and beyond to help out with us. Like he was a phone call away. It turned out to be not so bad as we thought. The maintenance is not that bad. I mean, I think we had a hot tub at one time that probably was more maintenance than this pool. I love water. I love to be near water, on water, in water. We're in the country, so it's a drive to take a dip somewhere. So I said I need to have something to cool off in, because our summers can be quite warm, and it's been great to just lounge on the deck and pretend you're at a resort. The stairs, that's an option, and we decided to go with the option of the stairs, and that was like, that made the biggest difference, I think, because now you just walk in, the dogs can walk in if they want to, so I think the stairs made a big difference, so that's one of my favorite features. There's a Bowswim, where you tie yourself up. I could do laps and do exercise, so that's my other favorite thing, is to be able to do exercise in the pool, tied up to that tether, which came from Crestwood pools as well, Bowswim. The winter cover is a great feature for closing up the pool too, and it's self-drains when the snow melts or whatever. So that in itself is a very cool feature that you can have with this pool.